Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using a good man, and this is the masculine card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of Poppy Parade and my rectangle stitch shapes. And then I have a piece of Whisper White with the smaller that fits inside of here. So we'll run that through. Alright, and that is all that we're using a big shot for. Okay, so we'll put that aside. And we are using a good man, and we're going to be using this guy in the chair, and It's Your Day, Relax Your Way. Okay, so for the Whisper White, I have the guy on clear block D, and I'm going to stamp him up in Night of Navy. Make sure he's good and inked up. And I want to put him right here in the top middle, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my Poppy Parade and put It's Your Day right here on the bottom, just like that. And then I have another piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the sentiment mounted on clear block G. So just like that. All right, let's put this card together. Our card base is Night of Navy, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of the Sia Silhouette Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 1 1/2 by 5 1/2. I'm just going to put this down with some SNAIL. And I don't want it right next to the corner, but I'm going to leave a little space here. All right, so now we will get our guy. And then we're going to put him on the Poppy Parade. All right, and then we're going to pop him up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right. So just like that, and then I'm going to put our sentiment on the inside. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card. It could be a Father's Day card, a retirement card, birthday card, whatever you desire. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!